In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email account in Outlook. This is a valuable skill for managing your communications effectively. Whether you are using Outlook for personal or professional purposes, having your email account set up correctly can save you time and enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, open Outlook on your device. You will see the familiar Outlook interface, which is designed for easy navigation. If you are using the classic version, you will notice a traditional layout with menus and options readily available. If you are using the new version, the interface will look more modern and streamlined. This is the starting point where you will integrate your email account into the Outlook software. Having Outlook open ensures that you are ready to begin the setup process. Next, click on File if you are using classic Outlook. If you are using the new Outlook, navigate to View and then select View Settings. This step is crucial as it opens the menu where you can manage your email accounts. In classic Outlook, the File menu gives you access to account settings among other options. In the new version, the View Settings option leads you to the same management area. This ensures you are in the right place to add your new account. Now, select Add Account if you are using classic Outlook. For the new Outlook, go to Accounts, then Your Accounts, and finally select Add Account. This action prompts Outlook to start the process of adding a new email account. It's important to follow these specific pathways to ensure you reach the correct setup screen. You will see options to input your account details shortly. This step is necessary to begin integrating your email into Outlook. Enter your email address in the designated field when prompted. This is the address you use to send and receive emails. Make sure to type it accurately to avoid any issues later. A correctly entered email address is essential for the account setup to work seamlessly. Once you enter your email address, you are one step closer to accessing your inbox directly from Outlook. After entering your email address, click Connect if using classic Outlook. For the new Outlook, click Continue. This action will initiate the connection process between Outlook and your email provider. You may see a loading screen as Outlook verifies your details. This is a normal part of the process and indicates that Outlook is working to establish a secure connection. It's reassuring to know that this step is vital for syncing your emails properly. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email account password. This is a security measure to confirm your identity and protect your account. Type in your password carefully, as errors here can cause delays. After entering your password, click the appropriate button to proceed. Keeping your password secure is important, and this step ensures that only you have access to your email through Outlook. Follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear. This could include approving two-factor authentication if your email provider requires it. Completing these steps is essential for your account's security and functionality. Ensure you have your authentication method ready, as this will help finalize your account setup. This process enhances your account's security, ensuring that only you can access your emails. Finally, click Done or Finish to complete the setup process. You will receive confirmation that your email account has been successfully added to Outlook. Your email account will now appear in the list of accounts within Outlook. This marks the end of the setup process, and you are all set to manage your emails. Outlook will begin syncing your messages. This means you will start seeing your emails populate in your inbox. Just give it a moment, and you will be able to access all your communications directly from Outlook. With your email account successfully added, you can now enjoy a centralized place for all your correspondence.